Alright, this will be the elevator at Menards. Celina, whatever this town is, middle of nowhere, Ohio. We've got ThyssenKrupp. With replacement buttons. And a very scratchy door operator. This panel's loose. All the buttons were replaced. Here's your call station out here. Which was also replaced. Very basic Menards elevator, nothing too fancy. That door operator's horrible. I mean, other than that and this ridiculously loose panel, this thing's not horrible otherwise. No clue what these buttons are. 4,500 pound capacity. And there it goes. And that will be it.